Do content creators really earn lakhs of money just by posting videos on social media? Yes, that's true. But it's not only about the followers and the number of views. It's about the multiple income streams that are available for content creators. So if you are also a beginner content creator or you are just starting off, you can also earn from your social media. So let's discuss this in detail. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Finance with Keerti, where we talk about finance in a very simple language. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I keep on making this kind of informative videos for you all. So I am making a series where we're going to discuss about Creator Economy 101, in which I'm going to cover how content creators and influencers are earning money and how this creator economy is growing day by day. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So as I have mentioned in the beginning that in today's episode of Creator Economy 101, we're going to discuss the multiple income streams of content creators, like how they are earning money through brand deals, affiliate marketing, by selling the digital products, workshops, and many more. And how you can start earning money from your social media right now. So let's start the video by discussing about the major income sources of content creators. Number 1, brand deals and sponsorship. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3, ad revenue. Number 4, product sales. 5, paid subscription. Number 6, courses and digital product. And number 7, workshops. So these are few income streams which are very common for every big creators. So now let's discuss this in detail. Number 1, brand deals and sponsorship, which is the most common income sources of content creators. So as the name suggests, by collaborating with brands, you can earn a lot of money by posting a reel, post or stories on Instagram, or maybe a dedicated video on YouTube. So in my previous episode, I have already told you about the types of influencer. There are several types of influencer in the market, like nano influencer, micro, macro, and mega influencers. So the influencers which comes under the category of micro, macro, they are easily getting the brand deals because brands are directly approaching because they have a good reach, they have a good followers on Instagram, on YouTube, so they are easily getting the brand deal. So if you're a new creator, you're just starting off your journey, then you have to directly approach the brand according to your niche. For example, if you are making an Instagram page on makeup niche, lifestyle niche, or fashion niche, then you have to target the fashion brands, lifestyle brands. So according to your niche, you need to target your brands. Start with the small brands. There are several ways you can approach the brand through the applications also, like OPA is one of the applications through which you can easily get the brand deals, and a good creator company, and there are so many applications available for the influencer to get the brand deals. There are so many agency pages like budding influencers or hobo collaborations, so you can also take the help of these pages to get the brand collaboration initially. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This is also a major source of income for many of the creators because it's very easy to earn money from affiliate marketing. So you need to register on the platforms who is offering the affiliate marketing commission to the content creators, and whenever you are recommending any product to your followers, your subscribers, and they are purchasing that product through your link, you are earning a commission on that. So this way affiliate marketing works, and there are several platforms like Wishlink, Earn Karo, Cash Karo, and Nykaa affiliate. There are several affiliate platforms available already for content creators to earn the affiliate money. So again, if you are a beginner, you just wanted to start off your journey of earning money through content creation, affiliate marketing can be a great way. So I personally use a lot of affiliate platform to earn the affiliate income. So let's understand this with an example. I have a channel, Finance with Keerti, where we talk about finance. So my niche is finance. So whenever I'm talking about a product related to finance, for example, I'm talking about a stock market, and I'm recommending you few apps like Upstocks, Grow, and I'm just telling you that you can download the application from my link and you'll get the discount. So both of us can get the profit from that, because whenever you are clicking on that particular link and you're downloading the app, you'll get the discount for sure, and I will also get a little bit of cashback or affiliate commission out of it. So this way you can easily earn with affiliate marketing. So next time, whenever I'm recommending you some books, products or application, do check out my description and download from there. Now let's talk about our next income stream, which is ad revenue. So ad revenue is basically comes from YouTube and Facebook, because both the platforms are having the monetization feature, wherein if you are eligible, if you are meeting all the criteria of monetization, your channel will be monetized, and next time wherever people see your videos, you can make some sort of income from that. So every views count after the monetization process. So once you are eligible for monetization, every views matters. So basically I have another channel with Kirti Gupta name, where I post vlogs, I post lifestyle niche content. So that channel is already being monetized, and I used to make money from it. Whether you are watching my shorts from that particular channel or whether you are watching my long videos, whenever you see the ad coming in between my videos, whenever you are watching the ad completely, I'm making a small money out of it, because YouTube also takes the share and the content creators also get the shares whenever somebody is watching the ads through your videos. So this way YouTube and Facebook monetization work. So whenever your channel has been monetized, your page has been monetized, you are making money on autopilot mode. So this way ad revenue works. So our next income stream is merchandise and product sales. So once you are going well in your content creation journey, you can start off your merchandise, or maybe you can start selling the products you want. Recently I have seen an episode on Shark Tank where Flying Beast Gaurav Taneja has come to pitch the business idea which he is having. He has already started the business, and he just came to Shark Tank India to raise the funds. So he has started his own brand, and since his niche was fitness also, so he's making the product related to fitness. So this way, when you're grown up, you're fully grown up, you understand the creator economy, then you can start off with the product sales as well. It's truly inspiring also to see such creators are doing so great, and they are learning business also from content creation. So they are not just stick to the content creation process, they are also entering into the business zone. So this is also very much motivating, that you are expanding and you are learning new skills altogether. So now let's talk about another income stream which is not very common yet very beneficial for big creators. So I'm talking about memberships and subscriptions. So if you watch YouTube videos often, you might have noticed that some of the creators have the facility that you can join their membership. For example, my own channel Kirti Gupta, which is a vlog channel which I have mentioned earlier, that if you watch the video of that channel, you will be asked that if you wanted to join as a member to watch the exclusive content. So if you are joining by paying the membership fees, you will be able to watch the exclusive content whichever I'm posting only for the members, and watch some behind the scene videos or whatever I'll post for members only. So you will be part of my exclusive community. So this way there are several creators. For example, so many education creators are creating the memberships, and students are joining to get the access of the exclusive content or some of the tips and tricks. So this way they are also earning money through membership. And subscription, if I talk about, Instagram also has the feature to subscribe for an exclusive content. So if you are fond of someone, you are following some of the creators, like you wanted to know their movements, you wanted to see their behind the scenes, you wanted to see their exclusive content, you might can subscribe. You just buy the subscription from that feature. If they are allowing you to subscribe to their exclusive content, you just purchase that subscription, and you will get the access to their exclusive content, and this way they will earn money and you can get the access of the exclusive content. So this is also a very uncommon yet very beneficial source of income. So now let's talk about last but not the least income stream, which is very popular among tech creators or Instagram coach, lifestyle coach, motivational speakers. So I'm talking about digital products and courses. So many of the creators are selling the digital products and the courses, ebooks to their followers. So whenever they are teaching something, they wanted to give you the blueprint, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow in life, how like bundle of AI tools or anything like that. They're selling the digital products to their followers and subscribers. So even finance creators are also selling the finance guide like Finance with Sharon also sells the finance guide. Ankur Bariko is selling the books and ebooks. So basically there are so many digital products which has been sold every day by the creators to their followers. So this way also the creators are earning good amount of money. Now let's talk about last but not the least income stream, which is coaching and workshop. So basically so many creators are offering the webinars, the workshops, the coaching. So if you're learning the graphic designing or maybe Photoshop or maybe any AI tools, maybe the creator is offering the coaching or maybe the webinar. If you're registering for the webinar, they can earn money, they can guide you and you can learn the skill. So this way also they are making money. So webinars, coaching, mentorship is also a way of earning money through content creation, because there are so many Instagram coaches also. They are running so many webinars, how to grow on Instagram, how to grow on YouTube. For example, Jeetu Coach, if you have heard about him, he's an Instagram coach and he used to run a lot of webinars where he used to give you so many details about Instagram, like Instagram algorithm, how it works, how you can grow. So this way Jeetu Coach is earning the money through webinars and you are learning the skill through his webinars. So win-win situation for both of us. So these are the few income streams through which content creators and influencers are making good amount of money, and you can also start your journey of content creator, but you cannot claim all the streams because monetization, you have to meet the criteria and so, but you can work on affiliate and you can go with the brand collaboration. So this way you can start earning money through your content creation journey. So that's it about this video. I hope you found this video useful. So share it with your friends and family or content creators who are struggling to get the brand deals and who are not able to figure out how to earn money from content creation. So this will definitely help them or maybe motivate them to earn money through their content creation journey. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the previous episode of this Content Creation Economy 101 series, because I keep on sharing so many informative content for you all. And yes, if you like this video, hit the like button and share your views in the comment section through which streams you are making money from your content creation journey. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.